Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Johnstown local and long distance movers near me. Planning on making a local move to Johnstown? Then you should think about all the planning and execution of the move. If you're thinking of carrying out the move yourself, you should be ready to handle all the stress and hassle that may come with it. We specialize in all types of moves, and local moves are one of them. Our professional movers will work closely with you to ensure your needs. At 3 Movers, we know that moving can be stressful regardless of distance. That's why we offer our services to those moving locally in Colorado and those moving out of state or even out of the country. Our team of expert movers is dedicated to ensuring that your move is as smooth and stress-free as possible, no matter where your destination is. When you hire a long-distance moving company, professional movers will handle everything relating to your move. Long-distance moves usually involve longer distances and even more belongings, which is usually very hard. When you hire us, we have enough movers to handle everything related to your move and help you with the heavy lifting. This would save you a lot of energy. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Johnstown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.